How to pay with phone using Google Wallet. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can pay with phone using Google Wallet. Now, the first thing to do is to note that there are two ways whereby you can pay with phone using Google Wallet. The first way is by adding your credit or debit card to Google Wallet. Once your credit or debit card is added to Google Wallet, whenever you can always pay with your phone anywhere, anytime using this option. And then the second way is by setting up the tap to pay option in your Google Wallet. Now the first way that I said is by adding a payment card, right? So all you need to do is to either click on add card, which is located under pay everywhere Google Pay is accepted, or by clicking on the add to wallet icon located by the lower right corner of the screen. So I'll be clicking on add a card here. And once you click on that, it will load. And once it's done loading, you'll be directed to a page where you can add your card number. So you can just go ahead and add your card number. Ensure your card number is the same as your card name and other info is exactly the same the way it's supposed to be on the card. So once you added it, save it, and you can go ahead and pay with your phone. And if you want the other method, which is the tap to pay option, all you need to do is to click on the profile icon located by the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on it, a drop down menu would appear, and then you'll be able to you'll see a list of options such as Abioye, wallet tips, your name, your wallet tips, and then tap to pay setup. So just click on tap to pay setup, and once that is done, currently my phone does not support this option. That is why it's saying this. But if your phone supports it, you will see another list of instructions. Just follow it, then set it up. Once that is done, whenever you want to make payments using Google Wallet, you can use your phone by just tapping to pay on this application. So this is how you can pay with phone using the Google Wallet. It is very simple. Thanks for watching.